My name is Sanjuni Pierce. My topic is technical topics. My subject name is the reproductive system. Reproduction. Introduction to the reproductive system. The major function of the reproductive system is to ensure survival of the species or the system in the body, such as the endocrine and urinary system, work continuously to maintain homeostasis for the survival of the individual. An individual may live a long, healthy, and happy life without producing offspring, but if the species is to continue or leads to some individual must produce offspring offspring. Within the context of producing offspring, the reproductive system has four functions: to produce egg and sperm cells, to transport and sustain these cells, to nurture the developing offspring, to produce hormones. These functions are divided between the primary and secondary or accessory reproductive organs. The primary reproductive organs or gonads consist of the ovaries and testes. These organs are responsible for producing the egg and sperm cells, gametes, and hormones. These hormones function in the maturations of the reproductive system, the development of sexual characteristics, and regulation of the normal physiology of the reproductive system. All other organ ducts and glands in the reproductive system are considered secondary or accessory reproductive organs. These structures just transported and sustain the gametes and nurture the developing offspring. The female reproductive system consists of internal and external organs. It creates hormones and is responsible for fertility, menstruations, and sexual activity. The female reproductive anatomy, including both external and internal parts. External parts is the function of the external genitalia are to protect the internal parts from the infection and allow sperm to enter your vagina. Your vulva is the collective name for all the external genitalia. A lot of people mistakenly use vagina to describe the female reproductive parts. However, the vagina is the own structure located inside your body. The main parts of your vulva or external genital is the labia majora, labia minora, and cystoris. Vaginal opening. The vaginal opening allows natural blood vessels to exist in your body. Tampons, fingers, sex toys, and penises go inside your vagina through your vaginal opening. Hymen, an opening of your urethra and vagina. Cervix, uterus, and ovaries, fallopian tubes, is the fertilization. Fertilization of egg by sperm normally occurs in fallopian tubes and eggs fertilizer. Your ovaries produce eggs. These are the transported your fallopian tube during the ovulation for your fertilization by sperm may occur. Fertilized egg move with the uterus and uterine lining. The thickened is in response to the normal hormones of menstrual cycle, also called your reproductive cycle. And uterus fertilized egg and important thick linking continue develop implantations. Uterine leg is menstrual period. Addition to the female reproduction produces sex hormones that maintain your menstrual cycle. During menopause, the female reproductive system gradually stops making the female hormones necessary menstrual cycle to work at the menstrual cycles. Becoming eventually stop considers the menopause. It is menstrual without menstrual spreads menstrual cycle. Woman affect reproductive is the beginning. The whether from 11 to the 16 years of the age experience cycles hormone activity repeat of the 1 month intervals. Every cycle of body prepares for potential pregnancies and maturation refers to the periodic shading uterine lining. Pregnancy does not occur that the cycle and the average menstrual cycle takes about 28 days. Occur in a phase, thesis phase, including follicular phase, egg develop, ovulatory phase, release of the egg, and luteal phase. Hormone levels decrease. The egg does not implant. There are four major hormones chemicals that stimulate growth activity and the cells or organs involved in menstrual cycle. These hormones include a follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, estrogen, progesterone, and follicular phase. These two hormones, follicle stimulating hormones, FAS utilizing hormone, release your brain and travel in your blood to your ovaries. Hormones stimulate the growth of about 1 to 12 eggs in your ovaries. Each is stone shell called as follicle. These hormones, FSH and also Tiger, increase the production of the hormones estrogens. We start in 140 days after the follicular phase is resting ovaries. The second phase is the menstrual cycle. Most people have the 10 to 116 day after ovulation. Is the ovulation cause dominant follicle is the egg from the ovaries. Luteal phase is the right after ovulation involves in following process. Release in PT ovary follicle develops into new structure called as corpus luteum. Secret hormones estrogen and progesterone. Prepares uterus fertilize egg to implement raise. Male reproductive system. The male reproductive system mostly is consist of the outside of your body, external organs inside your penis, scrotum, testicles, internal organs include your vas deferens, prostate gland, and urethra. The male reproductive system is responsible for sexual function, urination. The female reproductive system contains internal and external parts. Internal inside your body and non-external parts outside of your body. Together, these organs, sexual intercourse, make biological children function of the produce and maintain the transport sperm cells and semen. Sperm cells, male reproductive cells. Semen is the protective fluid around sperm. Discharge sperms produce and secrete male sex hormones. Internal reproductive system become hormones chemicals that stimulate or regulate activity cells organs. Primary hormones that help in the male reproductive system function. Follicle stimulating hormones. Your pituitary gland makes FAC produce spermatogenesis. Luteinizing hormone your pituitary gland also makes LH. LH is the necessary continuous process spermatogenesis. Testosterone with the main section hormone helps you develop in certain characteristics including muscle mass and strength, fat distribution, bone mass, and extra libo anatomy. Most reproductive system outside the abdominal cavity, pelvis, and external body parts include the penis and testes, scrotum, to other names is part genital external organ, including the penis, scrotum, testicles, epididymis, internal also including condition disorder, testicular cancer, penis, cancer, prostate cancer, sexual transmitted infection, male infertility, and testicular cancer, penicular cancer, prostate cancer, sexual transmitted infections. Thank you.